more and more I'm beginning to realize by what people have said that there's things I do all the time and I think nothing of that is a nice thing to understand. I use VLC media player a lot. They have a thing up here, this tool, it's called effects and filters. If you go to video effects right here, to image adjust, it lets you play with the brightness of your video. And also, if you happen to be watching a video and it's looking a little orange and you don't like that, you can play with a shade a little bit or with a hue a little bit. And this is all in a fine tune. You also can go and play with your contrast and the saturation, how much color. It's all a nice feature to have in a video player. And I don't remember who I was mentioning it to, but I was talking about it, you can adjust it, and they didn't understand. So if you're doing, especially if you're doing a screen capture, you can adjust that video however you want to see it. And here's even a sharpness. You can adjust your sharpness more. You can adjust the sharpness. If you see here, it's a very sharp, and there's the natural. I think the natural is about like that. So you can adjust the sharpness of what you're watching. And to get rid of it, once you're done, you say, I don't want all that. I don't want it all the time. Okay, good. Just get rid of everything and you're back to natural. But the heck of it is, that natural video can be beefed up an awful lot by saying, hey, let's throw some light in it. Let's make it a little bit sharper. And it makes it more enjoyable. That's VLC media player. It's free, it's open source. Everything I use is open source. And if I do a screen capture on that, I actually wind up with a better video than what I see on internet or what I see on in my browser. Anyway, here's one more little thing that just might make your life a tiny bit more pleasant. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe. And while you're at it, look at the squares above and choose another video. Enjoy yourself and thank you.